Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint in a garden. Mint is a wonderfully fragrant herb, but it's also a very enthusiastic grower. To keep it from dominating your garden, it's crucial to plant it strategically. Using a container, like a pot at least 10 to 12 inches wide, is an excellent way to manage its spread. Alternatively, you can install root barriers if planting directly in the ground. This ensures your other plants have space to thrive alongside your mint. Mint is quite adaptable, but it truly flourishes in specific conditions. Aim for a spot that receives at least 4 hours of sunlight each day, ideally partial shade in hotter climates to prevent leaf scorch. The soil should be consistently moist but never waterlogged, with good drainage. Enriching the soil with organic matter will provide the nutrients mint loves, and a pH level between 6 and 7 is perfect for robust growth. Keeping your mint healthy is straightforward. Regular watering is key. Ensure the soil remains moist but avoid overwatering. Pruning is also essential for a lush plant. Pinch back the stems often, removing about 1/3 of the plant's height to encourage new growth and prevent it from becoming leggy. For the most flavorful leaves, harvest your mint in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the sun gets too intense. Beyond its beauty, mint offers several benefits to your garden and home. Its strong scent acts as a natural deterrent for many common pests, including aphids and cabbage worms, protecting nearby plants. Conversely, it can also attract beneficial insects like bees, aiding pollination. Of course, the best part is enjoying your harvest. Fresh mint is wonderful in beverages, adds a bright flavor to many dishes, and makes a beautiful, fragrant garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.